Hello, friends. Introduce to you a 5-ton Isuzu truck crane. This is a XCNG 5-ton 4-section arm crane. The arm length is 11 meters, and the cargo box length is 6.1 meters. Using European standard aluminum alloy box plate, light and beautiful, the crane can be operated on the ground and is equipped with a remote throttle. The car is equipped with an Isuzu 140 kilowatts engine, providing strong power. The cab is equipped with an LCD display instrument. Multi-function steering wheel, hand-speed 6-speed transmission, heating and cooling air conditioning. We are a truck manufacturer in China. If you also need such a truck crane, please contact me.